Hey Warenotice, Shane here, coming at you guys with another awesome technology video. And today, folks, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here, the Samsung Rugged Protection Cover Case for none other than their Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G smartphone. So without further ado, let's get to getting this case out of the box. Here we go. Warenotice, I got the tech and you already know this. Straight out the box and straight to your screen. I'm making tech vids oh so clean. Warenotice, making them wiggle and wiggle like Warenotice. 4 years later now, who want beef? I got subs and they watching me. So folks, here we are up close and personal with the Samsung Rugged Protection Cover Case for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G smartphone right here. Also on the front of the box, as you can see, it is see-through, so you can actually see the case in there right there. Anyway, now let's open up this box and actually try out this case on my Note 20 Ultra 5G. So we can just pop this box open right here and boom, here is the case. And let's see, what does this say? We can pop this little piece of paper out of the case just like that. And right here we've got our paperwork. It looks like some installation instructions, and yeah, we can put this to the side as well, and we can actually put this case on my Note 20 Ultra 5G. So we can come over here and we can just flip the case over just like that, and we can pop the bottom of my Note 20 Ultra in right there, and we can pop the top right in as well, and boom, just like that, this case is on my phone. And wow, first impression, I will say this cool sort of silverish color right here definitely goes really well with the silverish camera array of the Mystic White version of this phone. I definitely think that looks pretty cool. It's all like metallic looking. Anyway, now that we have this case on my phone, let's just go on a quick tour around of the case. So over here on the back of the case, as you can see, we got these sort of like stripes going down it right here. They're textured, you can feel them. We've got a cutout for that camera array right there, and we've also got the kickstands right here. And like the box said, we've actually got two kickstands right there, so we can play around with them a little more in just a second. But first, let's see what the sides of the phone look like. So down here, we've got a cutout for the USB-C port, cutout for the speaker grill, and a cutout for the S Pen right there, so we can still access that S Pen nice and easy. Obviously, if Samsung makes this case and makes a smartphone, they should know what they're doing, so yeah, that is pretty nice. Anyway, over here on this side of the phone, let's just unlock it real quick. We can access the power or the sleep button right here to wake up the phone or put it to sleep. We can access the volume rocker right here, so we can turn up the volume or turn down the volume. And if we press this sleep button right there, once again, boom, now the phone goes to sleep. And yeah, anyway, folks, now let us play with that kickstand. And let's see, boom, just like that. And wow, that is a pretty nice angle. We can prop up the phone just like this and maybe go ahead and watch a YouTube video, a movie, whatever you want to watch. But folks, if you don't like this viewing angle, it's okay, because what you can do is you can just pop this bigger kickstand right into the case, and now you're only using the smaller kickstand. So yeah, with this shorter kickstand, the phone screen is almost facing more towards the ceiling at this angle, whereas with that longer kickstand, it's almost facing more towards me. So yeah, I definitely think that's pretty cool that you can get different viewing angles with this case. And I mean, yeah, guys, with that, now we have covered the Samsung Rugged Drop Protection Cover Case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G smartphone. I also just tested it. It does still work with wireless charging, this phone, while it's in this case, so that's definitely a good thing. If you want this case for yourself, it'll set you back about $40 before taxes. And definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case based on my video. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Would you buy it for yourself? Definitely let me know, because I do read all the comments, by the way, because I just love hearing from you guys. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one, because guys, I do love all my subscribers, so if you want my love, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button and I'll love you. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the Samsung Rugged Drop Protection Cover Case for the Note 20 Ultra 5G. Bye.